for my teeth?
Yes. Say hello to the vlog. This is my stepbrother Ian.
What's up, step bro?
You guys have seen him, but you know, have never done a proper introduction. So I'm about to give him a haircut. I'm gonna trim your beard too. Is that okay?
Yes, please.
Okay.
It's in my
Okay.
mouth constantly.
Great.
It's so bad.
Okay. Here's the result. Boy. Look at that fresh cut. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that looks really good. I faded your beard very well. I'm proud of myself.
I can now
How's it feel?
I can rejoin society again.
Yes. This vlog is gonna be completely random. I'm making dinner and I decided to start working on this plant because it's not very happy. I think what it is that the heat blows onto it way too much. It already blows dirt everywhere, which is annoying, but it's starting to drop a lot of leaves, so I'm going to prune it, I think is what you call it, and make some dinner. And then tomorrow is an exciting day because tomorrow the vlog is going to pick up and make a lot more sense, but I'm going to be going to my mom's house to do soaps and candy. Okay, this is the second long vine that I cut off because it was just so bare, and I don't know why this always happens with this plant. So if you have like a monkey mask, Swiss cheese type of plant, let me know what's going on here. I know they don't like to be moved, so it's been up in the same spot. It definitely also needs to be repotted. Honestly, I talked about this in my most recent Patreon video, but I'm going to be repotting every single one of my plants in the spring because they desperately need it. But yeah, you know, this is looking a little sad compared to before, but I might kind of move it around a little bit more, but I definitely don't need to go as high onto the ceiling anymore. I think I can kind of do it down a little bit more. I think it looks a lot better. I've been putting that off for so long because I can't really reach that plant unless I get on a chair. Oh yeah, and then did I also show, this is how many dead leaves I pruned off of it? Like, that is absurd. So anyways, love randomly checking things off my to-do list. Next on this evening of random projects, we're organizing. Kitty obviously wants to help. This is the current state. It's not looking good, guys. I wish we had a light in here, you know? Here, let me turn the light on actually on my phone. Okay, maybe this helps you guys get a better look. So, top shelf, random shit. Literally couldn't even tell you. This reachable shelf has a lot of paintings, a lot of our camera stuff, painting supplies, boxes of literal junk, you know. Here we have a rod. Half of it has jackets on it. The other half is a bit of shit. Couldn't even tell you what's in that. And then our Alex drawers, which we've started sticker bombing, which I love. And this is great. This whole aspect works wonderful for us. But we've also started piling boxes down here. There's shit back in here. The vacuum lives in here. And then we've also absolutely crammed this whole little sliver. Because we can't have this pushed all the way over, because we have to be able to access the drawers, and unfortunately, well, they are kind of catching either way, huh? We've also got, like, his whole art thing down there that holds all of his art in a more, not professional, but just in a better way. It's just, there's a lot of shit, you guys. And then we also have a coat rack hanging on the back, too. This is bad, so we're gonna get to organizing. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to tackle was getting the shelves cleared, which I have done. Oh my gosh, this already looks so much better, but now there's a whole mess everywhere else. I've tried to kind of categorize it. This is all boxes, shipping stuff, and like paper. We have all of our paintings and painting supplies on the table, and all of our cameras. If you guys would like a camera tour video, let me know. I've thought about doing one on TikTok and a more like in-depth one on YouTube. Bin of shit. Like, I have to go through these bins. That might be one of my next steps, but I'm gonna put some stuff back so that I don't lose my sanity. My next task is to go through this big bin, these 3 actually boxes, and decide if I'm going to put some of this stuff into the drawers, because the drawers actually have a lot of room and could even be rearranged a little bit better too. I just don't even know what's in these, and I know one of them is like Chris's memory box, and I might run down to the basement and switch a box out. I have garland in like a box that actually closes, and that would be a lot better for his memory stuff, so I might have to do that and then just throw my garlands in with all the rest of my decor. Okay, I guess all we gotta do is just do it. Next project is gonna be organizing through these drawers. Alright guys, the flash is back on because I want to show you the finished closet. Bum bum bum. So this top shelf has paintings we've already done, some canvas back there, memory box, more art and screen printing things. This level is like empty canvases, all of our filing stuff, Chris's art. This has a whole bunch of camera stuff in it. That has old journals way in the back. Camera bag, our most shot with cameras as of lately at least. And then I did put our jackets back, but if I move this, you can see I organized down there a bit too. That's looking so much better. And then the top of this is way more clear now. We just have his toolbox and some paint supplies. Over here we have a bag of gift stuff and packing stuff, art, and then a whole bunch of cardboard boxes back there that are all broken down. And I'll run through these really fast. I organized every single drawer, which feels so nice. Camera stuff, paint, film, more camera stuff. And then if I move this, that's all his childhood photos that he's working on scanning. We have all of our point and shoots down here. This is like a huge difference. And I have a little bit of stuff on the floor left to deal with, boxes to throw away, things to donate, but this is looking good.
The next day.
Good morning. It's a rainy day.
Hello.
I'm on my way to my mommy's house. I'm gonna go make some soaps and some candies, and I'm gonna take you guys along. We should be making a lot of both things because we're making enough for the amount of people that we each want to gift to for Christmas. So it's gonna be a busy day, but I'm very excited. We have 3 kinds of soap: goat's milk, olive oil base, what's this one? Oh my gosh, honey soap base. These are all of the molds. Have alcohol, vitamin E oil, help your skin stay soft, a few essential oils, a little bit of dried flowers left, not a whole lot, but we have this whole thing of essential oils as well. And that's all bath bomb making stuff, which we won't be doing today, but that's all our soap stuff. Soaps are done, and we also found we have all these old bath salts. I already sectioned out the ones that I'm gifting in a bag there, but my mom has people to give to as well. But here's all the soaps. How did I do that? I don't know how. It only happens if I'm laughing.
Somebody's little dark curly hair looks like a pube in here.
What the?
Look! I got it.
Thank God, we cannot be delivering pubes to people. Merry Christmas, here's my pubes.
Not preferably. Hey, what's that?
Okay, what is this? Is this coffee?
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, it is.
What is that like?
That smells great.
Coffee. It is coffee. What is this? It's just coffee cake.
That's what I thought.
What is it?
I thought it was coffee cake.
Oh, that's finally crisp. What the? God.
There it is. The whole set.
That's always sound.
Did I do it again? What? I'm telling you guys.
That sound like a horse.
What is happening? Oh. Yeah, he should.
I thought maybe you couldn't get in. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious.
Simpson is turning into a horse over there.
Neva scared me.
Yes.
There's your Mexican.
Hi.
As you can see, we are doing soap.
Well, that looks like shit.
What?
What the hell is that? We cannot give these to people. Look, I'm delusional, okay?
Well,
I've been-
if anybody says anything, I say, oh, my daughter made these, and then they'll feel bad for saying anything mean.
Maybe a green butterfly and a red butterfly.
Boom! Hey, look, that actually matches really well, dude.
Yeah.
It does.
I need to write the description. What is in this again? I didn't write this down.
Cupcake. Cupcake?
Uh-huh.
Cupcake and sugar cookie.
Sugar cookie.
How did you know that? Memory?
Memory.
Yeah, memory.
Good memory.
Good memories of. These two have been delirious.
We've been at this for hours.
He's laughing like a horse.
Yeah, literally right before you came in. Zephyr said I laughed like a horse, and I was like, what are you talking about?
You did it again.
And I did it again. I didn't even know I did it.
Oh. Like a horse.
Oh my god.
Oh, Zeph, what in the hell? Okay.
You gotta get it
Let's
together,
not-
kid. You can salvage this. Good morning from me and Sleepy Sir Prince. So, I stopped vlogging yesterday because I was so tired, but we literally, you guys, made, guess how many soaps? Oh wait, 75 soaps. I can't believe it. We made literally like at least 10 different kinds, maybe more than that, and literally ended up with 75. We had 12 pounds of soap, and we just added, you know, the dyes, the mica powders, the scents, a little bit of extra oil to soften your skin, and then in a few of them we added like sugars to be kind of like a scrub, or like in the coffee ones we added actual coffee because that also works really well as a scrub. If you guys didn't know, a few years ago me and Chris moved to Southern Illinois and then pretty much instantly moved back, and when we moved back we were both kind of like, you know, figuring out our job situation, and he luckily got hired back on at his old job like instantly, and I was just kind of in this like weird period of like, I don't know what I'm doing with myself. So I started making soaps for a little bit, and you know, I was doing little markets and stuff with my mom because she's already totally in that world, as you guys know, and I ended up getting hired back on at my old job too, so I kind of fell off the soap business because I didn't really have that much time for it, and I wasn't really that committed to like doing all of the different art shows and farmers markets and stuff like that. So I stopped doing it, even though I honestly do really enjoy making soap. It's pretty easy, to be honest, and it's a lot of fun. It's really therapeutic to like dive into a hobby like that. So I'm really glad that I can at least turn to that during like the holidays so that I can give out gifts and stuff like that. Shout out to my mom for helping, giving me the space to do it, getting all the soap for me. Luckily, we had everything else we needed, as you guys saw in like a previous vlog when I dug all that out of storage, but yeah, that really helped out because a girl is broke as fuck this year, and I don't really have the money to go buy everyone in my life Christmas gifts, so being able to DIY stuff has been a lifesaver, and I think it's a little more meaningful too to get something handmade from someone you love. So anyways, that's all I have for this vlog. It was a little all over the place, I know, but you know, I'm trying my best to vlog as much as I can in December, even though I'm not doing like a daily vlogmas. So hopefully you guys are enjoying the frequent uploads. Let me know if you are, and I will definitely see you guys soon, like in a couple days soon. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.